Guniwheel, the universal replacement wheel, now has a mobile storage solution. Introducing the Zips-built Guniwheel storage cart that allows automotive, restoration, and towing professionals to easily transport Guni products around the shop. It can accommodate any size of Guniwheel, including the 45S, 56, 80, and GuniX. A pair of cross hangers on the handle allow for storage of the interchangeable hubs that fit the GuniX, or use them for storing shop tools like pneumatic wrenches and air hoses. An orange molded grip handle makes moving this loaded platform easier and safer. Constructed from welded steel, this multi-level tree-style dolly stands 46 inches tall and features a wide base with 4 wheels. The slanted supports on each side provide enough room to store 2 Guni wheels per side, and the bent lip prevents them from sliding or rolling off the base. Each of the 4 swivel nylon caster wheels measure 1.5 inches in diameter and combined feature a total weight capacity of 880 pounds, which is more than enough to hold a Guniwheel set at 33 pounds each. The Guniwheel storage cart is powder-coated black for durability and corrosion resistance, built to withstand the demands of daily use in any shop environment. The base dimensions are 20 inches by 24.5 inches. Utilizing this cart reduces the amount of effort required to move each wheel and improves user efficiency. If you desire less lifting and more maneuverability around the shop, consider the Guniwheel storage cart from Zips AW Direct. Shop towing accessories on zips.com to learn more.